You have to possess something in order for you to be able to attract that top talent, and not only attract but also to retain. Hey there. So today I'm going to discuss some of the benefits of the outsourcing that are lesser known or even lesser considered. I already made an overview and a few discussions about some other benefits, so if you want to go ahead, you can go ahead and watch it. Today, again, some of the points that people don't even consider when thinking about outsourcing their software development. And all of those points actually come from the fact that you are presumably going to contract with a software development outsourcing company, a vendor that is larger than you in the size and has a larger experience in completing multiple different types of the projects for a variety of the clients. So because of that, there could be multiple benefits that you can obtain. So let's start from ability to access a better talent pool. So you as a company, you have a certain ability to attract a certain level of talent. So we all know that software development right now is a very hot topic, and developers compete. Multiple companies compete for the same talent, and developers choose between multiple offers. So in order for you to be able, you have to possess something in order for you to be able to attract that top talent, and not only attract but also to retain it, to retain all of those people. And that's a lot of work, and I don't know, you have to have something. Okay, and those outsourcing companies, in general, they would be most likely better positioned to attract this better talent and to retain them. They would have all of those processes running about the HR reviews and education, all of the stuff, mobility. So at the end, easier for them to attract a good talent, and they can provide this good talent and in turn working on your project. So you at the end will be working most likely with better people from the skill set perspective. Now, because of that, your solutions that they produce for you could be at the end better, and overall quality of those solutions, they can be done faster. And another point here, because this outsourcing company is executing multiple different projects for different companies and in different industries, you can count on probably having some of the out-of-the-box solutions and out-of-the-box thinking when they're working on your project. Not necessarily, but it can happen, because we all know that when you're focused on a single industry, you don't know what's happening outside, and sometimes very obvious solutions already being applied in another industry. Okay, so that's a point here as well. Another thing is that if you're tapping into this variety of pool of talents and skills of the software development and outsourcing company, you can create a better and apply a better specialization when executing your projects. Just think about it. When you're running a software development project, it's not only the software developers that you need. It's a variety of different roles that must participate. It's project manager, architect, server, UI developer, mobile developer, QA engineer, UI UX designer, DevOps. So all of this in whatever capacity, but have to be involved. Ask yourself a question: are you able to maintain all of those people full-time or part-time within your company? If not, it means that somebody else will have to perform the roles that they're not specialized in. And as an opposite, if you outsource your development to another outsourcing vendor, then you would be able to tap into their pool of talents and different roles, and you would have professionals working on those different roles. Some of them may be even part-time, that's okay, but the professionals would be working, separate professionals would be working on those different roles, and at the end it also means a better quality, better performance. Okay, now combining all of those benefits together, at the end it means that you can present yourself more experienced and larger than you actually are. And it allows you to compete better with your competitors, even with your larger competitors. So having this outsourcing company up your sleeve and able to tap into the resources and experience gives you an edge and kind of levels you up between the competition in your industry and whatever you're doing. Okay, so that's all for today. Let me know any questions in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer. And stay tuned, and I will see you next time.